friends, a warm welcome to my channel again. If you remember, last time I showed you how to make besan ka laddu and wheat bread, and this time we are making cake out of Mari biscuit. I think Mari biscuit is famous among all the kids, and we have been having it for a long time. In my childhood also we used to have, my parents would also love those biscuits, so it is very easily available and in great quantity. So we are making cakes out of these biscuits, which even children can make it. That is the best part of it. Even a small kid can make this biscuit. So let's start with it. So we have taken 4 packets of biscuit. We have opened 4 packets of biscuit. Each packet costing almost 10 rupees. So it is not that costly. So 40 packets of biscuit have been opened. Now we are going to crush it into small pieces first. We are going to add water to it. You don't have, if you have milk, it is fine. If you don't have milk, no issues. You can add water also to this. So we are just adding water to it, and now we are going to mix everything together. As you can see, we are still mixing it up. A little bit of water extra needed. 1 glass of water already added. Little bit of more is added to it. Now it's still mixing, and mix it into a paste. Then let me make a batter for cake. The same way you're going to do this also. So it will take some time, but keep on mixing. It will get mixed. Do not worry about it. Now if you can see, the mixture is already ready. It's just like a paste. It's semi-paste actually. You can see some bubbles, but that's not a problem. It will get dissolved easily till it stays there. So you can see it's very easy. It actually it is for the kids. The kids can give you surprises to the parents, to the grandparents, making all this cake for the elder people. Now to this you add two spoons of sugar. Now add 2 spoons of sugar. Don't add too much sugar because already biscuits have a sweetness to it. So 2 spoons of sugar. To that you add a little bit of baking powder. Now add little bit of baking powder. Yeah. Now just mix it again. Now you can make it plain also with this, or if you want a flavor of cocoa, you can add 2 teaspoon of cocoa powder to it. That will also give a good flavor because children love to have cocoa, chocolate based, so they will love to have it. It's just depend on the taste, whichever taste you like. There is no mandatory to the taste. Whichever taste you like, you can go for it. There is no taste, there's a variation in taste. If you want it plain, don't give the cocoa powder. If you want it with cocoa, give a little bit of cocoa powder, then it brings a flavor to it. Now mix it again well. So the mixture is ready. Now we have added little oil to the cake maker. You can see that, so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. So now you just add it, pour it from the middle so that it doesn't stick to the side. So we are making the cake in the air fryer itself. So you just put this into it, put it on. You have the images of pizza, you can give that, or it depends on you can give it at 180 for 15 minutes. So let it happen, then we'll see the status later on. So you can see the cake is already made in the air fryer. It's done. So it's very hot. Please do not touch it now. Now you can add chocolates. You can add anything like choco chips or the Nestle chocolates that you get in the market that is easily available, because we are always do everything we are doing that is easily available. So do not go for anything expensive. And any chocolate you can add, so it's add flavor to the cake. You can add nuts, you can add kish raisins, whatever flavor you want. You can add cherries, anything you can add to make it more flavorable and tasty. Now since after adding the chocolates, we have given the air fryer 200 degrees centigrade and for 2 minutes, so that the chocolate just melts on it and it gives a yummy taste. And really you're going to feel good eating it. It will change your mood. I bet on that. Thank you. So you can see that the chocolates have been broken into pieces. Everything has been melted. It doesn't look that I'm sorry, it doesn't look that yummy, but definitely when you taste it and when you have it, you're going to love it. As I said, whatever we make is homemade. We do not have any special training or have not taken any training in cooking and all. So whatever we make at home, we just wanted to bring it to you to make you like feel that yes, everything can be made at home, and you don't have to go to the shop to buy anything. So please subscribe and like our channel, and please be a part of our channel also. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.